welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a vlog style type video. I thought I would film an updated what I eat in a day to lose weight. I think I've only done one video like this, and around that time I think I was 30 pounds down. I can't remember, but as of this morning I am down 65 pounds, so I thought I would do a updated what I eat in a day because I know some of you guys are interested in that. I am just getting ready to make breakfast, so I thought I would start the video here. And here's breakfast. We have a little bit of strawberries and bananas, and then I have a egg white Swiss turkey bacon English muffin. So basically my favorite sandwich from Starbucks. It's so good and so easy to make at home. And then I went ahead and made my coffee in my little coffee Starbucks mug. And I'm trying this for the first time today. It's pretty good. I haven't tried the pumpkin caramel flavor. And if you like caramel, you would probably really like this. And then I just added like 3 ounces of unsweetened almond milk just to give it a little bit of a creamier taste. And that is it for breakfast. So I went ahead and put on a little makeup and did nothing with my hair. So if it looks frizzy or bad, just ignore that. But it is almost noon, so I'm gonna go ahead and make lunch. I have some work I need to get done on my computer, so I'm just gonna make it a little bit earlier than I normally would. Yesterday I had a like charcuterie type lunch, had a little snack plate, and it sounds good. So I think I'm gonna do the same thing today and show you guys what I have with that. Nothing like too exciting, but I just like having little snacks while I work on my computer anyway, so it's a really great compromise and easy thing to throw together. It's like an adult Lunchable. this is what my plate looks like when I am finished. I am eating the Ritz toasted chips in the flavor veggie, which is my all-time favorite. I get these little crackers for like everything. I love having these little plates, so these are my favorite crackers. They're really good with soup as well. I am also eating a serving of the ultra thin Colby Jack, which is 3 slices. So as you saw, I just cut them up and it will last me a lot longer. And then I recently found these, and they are a light Italian dry salami, which I love. So it's a lower calorie because it's less fat, and I love salami, so I was really excited to find these. And I did a serving of those, which is like 6.5 slices if you actually weigh them, and I went ahead and cut that up as well. And then lastly, I did 8 ounces of my watermelon. If you guys have been watching my channel or following me on Instagram for a while, you know how much pre-cut watermelon means to me, and I haven't had it in forever, so I went ahead and got that the other day, and this is what it looks like. I just finished editing and uploading a new video. It is my current favorites, so if you guys haven't watched it and you're watching this video, go check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. But I am hungry and I want a snack. I'm going to start dinner in a couple hours, but I'm going to have a little bit of this popcorn. We find it at our grocery store here, but it's really good and I love cheese popcorn. And this is 1 serving of this popcorn. These are the little bowls from Target. They're really cheap, but they're pastel pink. I have all of the dishes in this color, but I love this little pasta style bowl. All right, so I am starting on dinner. This is a little bit over a pound of just chicken breast that was pre-cut up by David a couple days ago. We bought like 2 pounds and we split it up and he just cut it all together. And I'm just doing something really simple. I'm going to grill that on the stove. Then I'm gonna use this curry sauce from the Campbell's Sauces skillet. It is so good. It's something we have like once a week. It's one of our favorites. And then I just like to pair that with this long grain and wild rice. I usually make 2 of these and I mix everything together and then I split it up into like thirds. So we have mine and David's dinner, and then he has a serving to take to work for lunch tomorrow. For my what I eat in a day to lose weight video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know quite a few of you do like these types of videos, but I always appreciate your guys' feedback. I'd also love if you gave this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!